Welcome to the farm, guys. It's St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to show you around. I just made a limeade seltzer. It's a little green, right? We got a little dessert station set up over here. Some trail mix. I still got to get a scoop for this stuff. And cookies. We are trying this today. I got to make this for the first time ever. Who likes beer bread? Welcome to the pantry, guys. We are looking out the window.
Look who's looking at me. It's like they wait for me in the window.
It was pretty. It was pretty. So far we come out, we've got hawk, wild turkey. What else is this gonna do?
It's a bear.
Yeah.
They're gonna be with bears. They're gonna be hungry. I'm gonna grab you a couple zip ties for over there.
Homestead edition cold mudroom. You know you're a homesteader if you have seed soaking and pickles, plant tags, seeds that you're gonna plant, some tinctures, and tons of flashlights. And actually my in-laws Tupperware because we don't use Tupperware. And of course the teenagers dirt bike helmets. We woke up and the meat was done, so Kevin cooked the carrots and the potatoes, and so now our feast is ready for our friends and family. Hope you guys all have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day.